Hey Mike, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you. I'm here to audit your site, Mike. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic all on your own. Also, this video will give you a better understanding as to why your competitors are being found around your area instead of your company, MillSite. Uh, I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories are content, backlinks, and citations. With this said, Mike, I would recommend to just, get a better understanding on these categories for on your next website project or SEO services. Make sure you implement these three categories onto that website or SEO, okay? Um, Looks like this is your website here. This is a good website. It's a simple website. I gotta say, not a lot of content, not a lot of pages except this drop down. The navigation is fairly simple. All the links seems to be working just fine. Mike, unfortunately, not enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance and of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert, and again, inside of Google. In your 1,500 words of content, Mike, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, for backlinks and citations. For this, let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is a paid tool, of course. If you don't mind paying for it, this is a great platform to have so that you can monitor your website. Looks like currently you have 60 keywords. This is very important. I'll touch a little bit more regarding this category in just a second. Traffic on a monthly basis, your website is getting 11 people, or 11 people, approximately 11 organically are jumping onto your website. Referring domains 40, backlinks 85, the DR 2.4, and the UR 4.2. Looks like back in, let's see if I could get this pinpoint. Yeah, 2016, you were at a highest there. I'm not sure if you were, I don't think you were in that, you were gathering SEO services. However, 33 people organically were jumping onto your website. And you kind of went down the ranks here. You're bumping up a little bit, but again, you're going down. At the latest, you're going down. The UR and the DR meter here, this is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these two are through backlinks and citations, which we're going to talk about now. A backlink is pretty much a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website via, this could be as simple as a hyperlink. Simple text, click on that text and they'll reroute to your website. That's pretty much what a backlink is. Just be careful. You want to get those good backlinks with high DR, high power, high trust. Excuse me. And a citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. And your citation would fall under the referring domains. So backlinks. Some citations would be categorized as a backlink, but if it does, that's a good thing. It's a bonus. They're pretty powerful. Just make sure you get those relevant backlinks and citations. And of course, I've already explained the directory, Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Ideally, you want to keep both the UR and the DR meter at a 1-to-1 ratio. It's just good practice. It gives you an extra boost inside of Google when comparing to other websites. So remember, 1-to-1 ratio on the DR and the UR. Let's jump onto one of your competitors here. Looks like these guys are taking all the attention. As you can see, they don't have a lot of content, but they do have good quality keywords, also backlinks and citations. This is what they have going behind the scenes. So keywords, approximately 44. Traffic, in a monthly basis, they're getting 100 people jumping onto the website organically, searching for the services, for the same services that you offer. Referring domains 15 and backlinks 134. I'm sorry, 134. UR 3.3, the DR 0.6. So this is beatable. This is not, they're not high. It's not a lot of power, but they do have enough to be on top of the search engines. And this is what I wanted to show you. This is a list of keywords. This is very important to know. This keyword here alone, landscaping Bend, Oregon, in a monthly basis, they're getting a search volume of 300. For this keyword here, Bend landscaping, 150. And this is per month, okay? So 300, 150, let's say 450 a month. Let's say these people or these individuals are finding you instead. This is the whole point of SEO services, web design, on-page SEO. This is where these are the type of services that we offer. So if you're interested, you could always contact us, or even if you have any questions, we'll be happy to help. We're here for you. And of course, going back onto the website, 100 on traffic. They could do way more. As you can see, they have 300 and 150 for just these two keywords. These keywords I wouldn't recommend. Looks like this is their name, and also they don't have keywords around your area there. So those keywords you might want to exclude. Well, Mike, this is what I have for you for now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. And this way I won't keep sending you these follow-up emails, annoying follow-up emails. So just let me know. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thanks for your time, Mike. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.